Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Not to be missed during the Dragon Boat festivities is the Zhongzi, rice dumplings made of glutinous rice, stuffed with various fillings and wrapped in bamboo leaves. And the variety of Hakka-style Zhongzi never ceases to amaze, the majority of which are made with glutinous rice flour, giving it a special chewy texture. The latest Hakka specialty is a wild ginger blossom-flavored Zhongzi stuffed with mushroom, minced meat, dried shrimp, and radish. The ginger blossom leaves used to wrap these Zhongzi give them an unforgettable ginger blossom aroma.
Hey, what's up? It's time for Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this month of June is also, to me, the month of 粽子。
是啊，
对，
好多粽子，
好多粽子，不管是端午节前或端午节后呢，都可以
都在吃
粽子，
而且都越吃越肥。
But you know what? There's a whole variety of 粽子 out there, or what's also known as the wrapped sticky rice dumpling. All right, there's so many different types. 其实这个粽子有分很多种类，对不对？有所谓的咸粽啦，
对呀
，the salty rice dumpling，有甜粽啦，the sweet ones。客家人有板粽，
对，板粽。
Okay, that's a very specific type of Hakka rice dumpling.
还有一种是吃甜的，鹼粽。
鹼粽哦，碱粽啦，对不对？ That's right. That's another type of dumpling where you actually dip it in sugar and it's kind of sweet in a way. 也有这个最近，也不能说最近啊，可能这10几年来，就是很多人都会去吃，然后跟客家文化有关系。好像在新竹内湾那边特别
我知道的，亚姜法粽。
And it's called the Hakka's Wild Ginger Flower 粽子。
它味道很香，对不对？
的确很香，很特别。对，里面有用到野姜花咯。
对，就是把野姜花的根磨成粉之后呢，跟那个香菇啊、碎肉啊、小虾米啊那些炒在一起，然后再用那个野姜花的叶子把它包起来，蒸熟之后呢，就会有野姜花很独特的香味了。
You're right. You just remind me of all the ingredients inside this type of 粽子. Not only you have the wild ginger flower, but also mushrooms and dried shrimp. 顺便教一下香菇怎么说？
香菇
and then the dried shrimp 虾米。
哈
米不是 honey 哦，是哈米，但是真的很好吃。Again, that's the wild ginger flower 粽子 or 野姜花粽，怎么说？
亚姜法粽。
And if you have a chance, go try it out, especially if you go to Hsinchu. They have a very well-known restaurant or stand there that sells this. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.